Earth. Planet Earth has been in existence for roughly 4.54 billion years, plus or minus about 50 million years. In that time, Earth has changed dramatically. As a matter of fact, Earth has changed so much that some would suggest that the Earth is literally dying. That's what I want to analyze today, the eventual and looming death of planet Earth. So stay tuned. I'm Chris, and this is a special episode of Factsma. This is Factsma in Space. So, to properly understand what the death of planet Earth will look like, let's take things step by step, so to speak. Let's jump about 100 years. By this time, Earth will continue to heat up, possibly by as much as 11 degrees Fahrenheit from today's average temperature. This will start a cascade of events around the planet, including more severe droughts, wildfires, floods, and food shortages caused by changing weather patterns. Sea levels will get to about 1 to 4 feet higher than today, and the Atlantic will generate more intense hurricanes. The Arctic will be ice-free during the summer, amplifying climate change even further. Now, let's fast forward about 1,000 years. The asteroid 1950 DA will pass close to Earth on approximately March 16, 2880. Although a collision is possible, NASA predicts it will narrowly miss us humans. Speaking of which, thanks to ongoing evolution, people of the year 3000 might be 7-foot-tall giants who can live for 120 years, according to some projections. Next up, let's jump a few million years, about 30 million years to be exact. An asteroid 6 to 12 miles wide hits Earth about once every 100 million years, on average. And as most of us know, the last one hit about 65 million years ago. That suggests another one may strike in the next 30 million years or so, releasing as much energy as 100 million megatons of TNT. It would blanket the planet in debris, spark vast wildfires, and trigger a severe greenhouse effect. Dust would also darken the sky for years, possibly offsetting some of the greenhouse effect, but also hindering plant growth. 250 years from now, continental drift once again smashes Earth's dry land into a supercontinent, which resembles the ancient Pangaea. Scientists are already calling it Pangaea Proxima. Adding another 350 million years, the sun's growing luminosity increases the weathering of surface rocks on Earth, trapping carbon dioxide in the ground. Rocks dry up and harden due to faster evaporation of water. Plate tectonics slow down, volcanoes stop recycling carbon into the air, and carbon dioxide levels begin to fall. This likely killing off most of the planet's plant life. This is Earth, 2.8 billion years from now. The scattered remnants of single-celled life will likely die out, leaving Earth lifeless for the first time in billions of years. The result? At this point, Earth is clinically and undoubtedly dead. If humans still exist, we're probably somewhere else in the universe by now. And 8 billion years from now, having used up its hydrogen supply, the sun grows into a red giant with a radius 200 times larger than today. Because of this, the solar system's innermost planets, along with planet Earth, are destroyed. So, what did we learn here? Earth, our home planet, is a world unlike any other. And although the end will come well beyond our lifetime, Earth is truly a magnificent place and should be appreciated as such. The Earth is an incredibly complex and vibrant ecosystem where living organisms interact with each other and their environment to create the ideal conditions for life. But with all of this being said, what do you think?